a kind of appreciation for the presentation of Shaman I was not only surprised to find this high level of performance in football, in a da'wah, deeply rooted in the Quran, in Hadith, in the Tariq of Islam, the history of Islam. He's young, he's talented, he's very eloquent, he's very knowledgeable. And I would like you to consider it is your luck to be able to refer to a personality, to a talent, to a, how do you say it? Un érudit français en yeah, érudit. Érudit. I just hope that you will progress under his own supervision. He has everything to train and to prepare your children for the future. And